everyone, welcome to my channel. I will show you how to make this headband. It's very cute headband. Do you want to know how to make it? So let's do it. The materials are fabric. You need two kinds of fabric: scissor, elastic, safety pin, clip, straight pin, needle and thread. The first step, we prepare the fabric and cut the fabric. The length of 47. This is the length of 47 and the weight of 20 centimeter. We also need upholstery, the length of 47 centimeter and the length of 20 centimeter. This is only one, and upholstery also one. So one piece. We need the other pattern, the length of 25 and the weight of 8 centimeter. We need only one piece. Also, the length of 10 centimeter and the weight 8 centimeter. We need only one piece. After we cut the fabric, this is a good side. Put together the upholstery and the fabric. This one. And we hold in half like this. This one also, the other pattern. This one. So we have three kinds. 1, 2, 3. And then we start sewing from this corner to the next corner. Also from this corner to the next corner. Also this one, from this corner to the next corner. Okay. After sewing, you turn the fabric inside out. This, and you iron this fabric. Put the seam line in the middle. Okay. Prepare the elastic, the length of 12 centimeter and the weight 2 centimeter. Give the safety pin. Okay. And now you give a center mark and then you wrinkle. You wrinkle the fabric like this. Take a thread and needle and you sew. Like this. You take this one and you cover it, to form a ribbon. This is the seam line. This is a good side. Put the seam line face us. This one. Like this, and sew from here to here. After sewing, you cut this fabric a little bit, and this one you turn the fabric inside out like this. Okay. And then you insert the elastic through the fabric. And you sew from this corner to the next corner, and do the same the other side. So from this corner to the next corner. Next step, this is the good side, and this is there is seam line. Put the elastic in the middle here, and this is the seam line face us, and you fold and fold. And sew from here to here. Do the same process with the other side. Okay. Like this. And next, you pull Yes, and the cute headband has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.